just something I want to show before we jump over to the interior. If you find any broken plastic, this is my zip tie trying to hold this together because I'm about to use plastic weld. This is something I showed last week regarding headlight repair. Really good stuff. Something like $8 off Amazon. I'll have a link in the description box below. But creating plastic tabs or just adhering two plastic pieces together, this does a really nice job. Now that the fender wells are complete, we can put some attention to the interior. Now I'm going to continue cleaning the interior off camera. I'm just going to use some OxyClean, probably some dish soap, and maybe isopropyl alcohol, really deodorize and clean the carpet. Next few episodes, we're going to rebuild the center console, rewrap it in vinyl, new padding for the elbow padding, and perforated leather. I have leathers coming in for the seats, still waiting for the valve cover to come back from powder coating, but we're almost there. We are certainly almost there. So until next time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.